this Ramadan, you can end your fast thousands of feet up in the sky while enjoying the scenic views of the UAE. This one-of-a-kind experience costs 66,000 dirhams for up to 6 people on board this private aircraft that you see behind me.
Passengers can arrive 15 minutes before their departure, clear security in 2 or 3 minutes, and then they board the flight where they enjoy a spectacular Iftar menu, which is made in collaboration with Bulgari Resort Dubai. So first, after takeoff, the aircraft follows the sun. So we fly towards Abu Dhabi, we make a circle around Abu Dhabi, and then we cross the desert towards Al Ain. From there we cross Hatta Mountains and we fly over Fujairah. From Fujairah, hopefully when you see Jebel Jais, you go to Ras Al Khaimah. Ras Al Khaimah, you follow the coastline. Al Quwain, Ajman, Sharjah, and finally the beautiful skyline of Dubai, where you see Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab, the World Islands, the Palm Islands, and then you land back at the airport, where we serve desserts, teas, coffees, and passengers can enjoy a beautiful evening at their leisure in the terminal. So it's a very interesting mix of Arabic and Italian cuisine. Obviously, we draw from the heritage of the UAE, of this region, but also since we work with the Italian brand Bulgari, we draw from their heritage as well. Do use the bipolar ionization technology, which means that the aircraft is sanitized before and after each flight. The same goes for the terminal itself.